of his appeal. The first to be awarded is our fourth runner-up. Okay? Who is our fourth runner-up? To award the sash, okay? To award the sash of fourth runner-up, may we call SB Bernie Takad and Punong Barangay Natividad Amobo. For our fourth runner-up goes to
be
candidate number 1.
Wala ka naman music dyan. Candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1. Congratulations, candidate number 1. Our Miss Team fourth runner-up is candidate number 1. Candidate number 10. Forward the sash of candidate number 10. May we call on stage Sir Willie Santiago and Ma'am Ernwell Axwell.
We'll be right back. Sexy motherfucker.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Ooh, I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine, fine, so fine. Ooh, oh girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine. Treasure, that is what you are. You're my golden star. You can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you, if you let me treasure you. Pretty girl, you should be smiling. A girl like you should never look so blue. You're everything I see in my dreams. I wouldn't say that to you if it wasn't true. Ooh, I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine, fine, so fine. Ooh, oh girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine. Treasure, that is what you are. You're my golden star. You can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you, if you let me treasure you. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure. You are my treasure.